Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox a selfie stick and we are just going to see how great it is. Obviously it is Chinese, but let's go ahead and check how it works there. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the selfie stick. It's called Selfie Stick I15. I told you, yes, it is a Chinese product made in China, written over here. Let's go ahead and open this thing. There was a cover, I think so. I took it out, but let's see this. You feel it's the smallest selfie stick if it's possible? Yes, it is. And there's a light over here, which you can use for your selfies. It has its brightness level also 1 and 2. So you can use this. And this is the portion where you can go ahead and mount your mobile. And the one good feature about this is it is also having a tripod in the end, as you can see, which can open and you can mount it anywhere you want. So let's extend this a little bit and I'll show you this side of the thing. So this is a Bluetooth switch which can connect with your Bluetooth. Once you press it, it would go ahead and connect automatically with your Bluetooth device. This is a chargeable one, so you can go ahead and charge the selfie stick also. And this is the tripod what I'm talking about, so that you can fix it anywhere you want. And to be said, this extends to a quite decent level. I can show you the whole level over here. So it's a comfortable tripod as well as a comfortable selfie stick over there. And if you see this portion, this can be rotated in 360 degrees. So vertical, horizontal videos also can be taken in this. And it's very compact. As you can see, you can just close it like this and you're done to travel. It's as simple as that. There are not many features as it's just a normal selfie stick, but you do have the extension of any type of phone over here. You can extend it to a certain level. That's one of the features which we all look for on a selfie stick. And it's very simple to even mount back the Bluetooth. You'll not misplace this Bluetooth, as this come with this. And you can take it out also. So people who think like you can't afford a tripod and you also need a selfie stick, this is the best thing you can go for. I got it for around 20 bucks or 30 bucks. I don't remember now. I had bought it in an offline store, but you will be getting this because it's just a Chinese product and you get it for very inexpensive with a proper lighting and everything in it. So you don't have to worry about it. Plus, over and above all that, you see here there's a charging point over here where you can recharge this light, and it has a wiring going through from inside, which will also charge your Bluetooth. So you can go ahead and do this. Even if the Bluetooth gets spoiled, you do get it handy. Like all the Amazon stores have a Bluetooth device which connects to this. So this is as simple as that. So let's go ahead and close this and get on with the next video. Thank you there. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe and watch the complete video always. That helps the channel a lot. Thank you. You're watching Kamal Tech Vlog and you have a wonderful day ahead.